I use my credit card, my personal credit cards for my daily purchases. I mean, for gas, for any trip to the store, it's my personal credit card. That's always going to give you a boost because you're seeing the usage, but you're paying it off before the due dates and things like that. So you're going to get those boosts. And then your credit card company is always going to raise your limit because they see, oh, you're using it, you're paying it off, you're responsible. That's one of the things that I do with my personal credit. But in terms of building your business credit, it's really, really important. And you do need a decent credit score to get business credit. So there is a difference between business credit cards versus business loans and lines of credit, and the requirements are very different. But at the end of the day, you need at least a 680. You need a 680 to get business credit. I don't care what type of business credit, that is the minimum. So I do have a master class on my website. It's called Credit on Demand. I made it especially for moms, and I talk about everything on how to build your credit, how to leverage your credit, how to leverage your business credit. And I also go into the very basics of what credit is, the terms. I think a lot of people, I think it's 90-something% of people don't even pull their credit report. They don't even know what's there. And so understanding what's on your credit report is going to help you get to the business credit in order for you to leverage your business credit for your business.